Got a little screeding project on today. We've filled all this in, concrete it, paved underneath, and we just put some cinder-puff all around the edges, give it a nice join, make sure the water can get through, existing pad. We'll get some screed on there and start floating up. Okay, we're ready for a bit of screeding. There was a pond inside this room. The previous person owned it. We dug it all out, concrete in, when I go out, put some screed in. We're pathing underneath, we're putting a bit of cinder-puff on the top, just to give it a good key and make sure nothing come through. Let's get some screed in. First bit in. Now this is why I always keep all my old spieler levels. I might use them as a tamper or screeder. They're really, really good. Happy birthday. Get another little Bessie Street. The metal one, bring up the cement. So the float, bring up the sand. But this one, the metal one, brings up the See the cement coming up, that's what the metal float do, that bring up the cement, this one bring up the sand. Oh, the sharp bite, let it be. See, that's bring no cement up. This one bring up the sand, and this one bring up the cement. That's how you get the top finish on it. Right. I ain't gonna get a top finish, but that's they tell me that's how you do it, you know. I don't really know. You what? Hey! Oh, the shark bites. Ooh. Baby, baby. They get thick underlying here, you'll never know, boy. Oh, the shark bites. Buh, 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 buh. Ian, what, get on and get his grass cut today, you reckon? Before he gets to the pub. Friday night, pub night.
I think that's the quickest I've ever seen you.
Oi, don't tell anyone, alright? Do not tell anyone. And don't tell anyone you see me down floors either, because you just get roped into more of them.
Yeah.
Beep 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 beep. Mackie's back in town. Ba ba da da ha ha. Hey, you got to be decorating tonight, you're going down the pub.
I'm going to go to the pub.
Yeah. I'm going down the pub. I reckon by about 8 o'clock I'll be asleep. In the old rocking chair.
I might just go down the park, down the beach to your side.
Yeah.
Well, normally the king then, or the reason. You've got King Charles in Square here. The tram is just up the top of the road, in opposite the
I'm going down the pub.
What used to be the old brewery now. Yeah. They have now put a little bar in there. Right. So that's quite nice. Yeah. Used to be really down.
Okay, we're nearly there. Let's get the old edges done. Right, I'll just get around that edge here and I think we'll have a nice cup of Charlie Lee. What do you think of that, boss? And a sandwich maybe? Then I'll come back and clean it all up, brush it all up. Then we'll fill in little bits in for Ian. Then that's all the cementing done on that bit. And maybe we can knock stuff up for that. Cool. I'm going down the pub. All patched in. That grew there. Okay, we've done a bit of work with our flutes, and the most important bit is to clean all your kit up. That'll last you forever if you look at it. And a lot of these flutes aren't a lot of carb till they're out of a few months wear on, and they operate lovely. Clean the little stray. Gotta clean your kit, boy. Time for a cup of tea. Next priority, then we'll have a sweep around the edge of that floor. Just tie the edges up. That's a good one. Get on the next bit. If me old mate Burnside's watching, I'm sure he appreciates washing your tools out. Big shout out to Doug. Hope the old wood burner's put away nicely for summer. Right, so bucket, tools cleaned. That's at it. You can go ever use that again, that's waste time. Right. Got a cup of tea, one of the